Chavez, and we have a very special show for you today. Today we are celebrating Pinstripes, what's all about bistro, bowling, and of course, bocce. This is all set up on our 6th floor in the New York Stock Exchange in our boardroom, actually, where we're going to hear a lot of our executives speak along with Pinstripes executives, including Dale Schwartz, who is the founder and CEO of Pinstripes. Actually, let's go find him right now, so maybe we can get a game in. There he is. Now, everyone who is here today is a part of the Pinstripes family, friends, colleagues, employees. Everybody is here celebrating Pinstripes today. Good morning.
Good
Welcome
morning.
to the NYSE.
Good morning. Thank you.
I love this setup right here. And who do we have joining you?
Oh, these are my two sons, Benjamin and Victor.
Oh,
They're
Benjamin.
professional bocce players.
Are they?
Yes.
Oh my God! I was thinking maybe we could play a little game
Sure,
and have a little
sure.
conversation.
Yeah.
So actually, let's talk about bocce. Give our
Sure.
viewers who may not know the concept of the game and how we play it. I've only played a few times in the past.
Sure. So bocce in Italian means to kiss. So you want to get the balls as close to each other as
Okay.
if they're kissing.
Okay.
So we'll maybe roll a few balls and get close.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
so we do bocce, we do bowling, but that's bocce.
Amazing. So, Benjamin, do you want to help me get some balls and then we can start playing a little game?
Get the balls, man. Victor, get the balls too. Good job, man.
He is strong.
He's so strong.
All right, so I assume we each
Okay.
get a color, right?
So we should have come. So this is the Polino.
Okay.
So we roll the roll the Polino then. Okay. So you go first.
Okay, and now I just want to get close.
You want to
to
get
the
as
Polino.
close as you can to that little Polino, but
Okay.
roll it very soft.
All right, very soft. I don't know, I'm really strong. No, just-
Go soft. Oh, that's pretty good.
Okay.
All right, then your turn. So green now has to keep going until it gets closer. Strong move.
Oh, wow.
So now you have
can tell he's played this a
now,
few
now
times.
you have to keep going. Hold on. She's got to keep going until she gets closer.
So I have to get closer to the Polino.
Correct. And you can go this angle if you want to. Let's go with Victor, get out of the way. Uh-oh, this is going to be tight, Ben. Who's closer?
That was
Who's
pretty
closer?
good. That was pretty
Who's closer? Okay, you're up again. You're up again. Ah.
Oh.
Green's still closer. Okay. You got one more. You got one more.
No. Okay, now what if I hit it though?
You can hit it.
I
You
can hit
smack
it?
it on the way.
Okay, okay.
And then it's wherever the Polino ends up. Victor, your turn. Come here.
I'm like creating a
Right now,
barricade.
go ahead. Victor can get another point. So now green, if it gets closer, it
Okay.
can get another point. Go ahead, Victor. Go.
Oh, are you okay? Yeah. Oh. Now, now
Ooh.
what happens in this situation?
So now it's green's got 2 points, right? Those
Okay.
two are both closer than the red.
Yeah.
Give me 5.
How am I even going to do this? I don't have any more balls.
No, we can score more points. Go
Okay,
ahead,
okay.
man. Uh-oh. So green still has 2.
Uh-huh.
That's the gist of.
So tell me, what was your motivation to start the concept of bistro, bowling, and bocce?
Bowling, I bowled as a kid in Cleveland.
Yeah.
I was going to buy a bowling alley 33 years ago. It's 74th and Broadway.
Okay.
Coined the name Pinstripes. Waited 20 years. And then 18 years ago, decided to add bocce to the mix to allow us to do elevated Italian-American cuisine and wine.
Yes.
So we do both, bocce and bowling.
Because it's really all about culture, right? Bringing people together
Correct.
with good food, drinks,
Bringing people with
games.
phenomenal food, with gaming.
Yeah.
Just redefining bowling and bocce in our case.
And this is back in 2007. Tell me about
Correct.
the story that's really unfolded here and how you've gotten to this pivotal moment, now joining the NYSE community of over 2,400 listed companies.
Yeah. No, we did. We started almost 18 years ago.
Yeah.
Always with a vision of doing something high quality and scalable.
Yeah.
So we've got 15 locations open, 6 more this year are going to open. Want to do 150 all over the country, and it was always part of the plan to go public.
Yeah.
And that started 5-6 years ago, and today's the exciting ringing of the bell.
Today is the exciting day of ringing the bell, but tell me what made you choose to, for now? Like, why was now the time to go public?
Yeah. 2 issues. One is we've spent years building the right foundation. We've got almost 2,000 team members in enough locations that we can start scaling in a faster way. And the now, in terms of going public, is just raising that permanent capital to set us up for the next 20, 30 years.
Yeah.
So the retail environment is ripe for us to find some phenomenal locations, and so we wanted to strike while the market was hot.
Pun intended.
Pun intended. Pun intended.
You had
Pun
a strike.
intended.
Tell me, what about your plans specifically here in New York City?
Well, we're already in Connecticut,
Yeah.
Norwalk. We're opening Garden State Plaza not far from here in a couple weeks. I've been looking at sites in Manhattan for 12, 13 years, so stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
We'll be in the city. We're looking at Brooklyn, but stay tuned about Manhattan.
Just come back to me and let me know when you're
Correct.
making the big announcement.
I'll give you the
break
sneak
news.
preview. I'll give you the sneak preview.
But let's talk about 2024. It's the beginning of the year. What are you most excited for? What are some things that you're going to try to accomplish this year?
Well, for one, we've got 6 new locations that will open.
Okay.
So we've got Garden State Plaza in a couple of weeks. We have Orlando soon after, Coral Gables, Walnut Creek, California. So expansion is high on our mind. And even with all our existing locations, we're going to be adding some exciting projection mapping technology to bowling and bocce, always adding novel food dishes.
Yes, yes.
So we're gonna keep it fresh.
Yeah, and I
Pun
think I'm
intended
going to,
again.
pun intended. No, but I think I'm going to speak to your chief culinary officer later.
Correct,
about
season.
that. Yes,
Correct.
yes. So I'm excited to hear about all the new recipes.
Yep.
And how are you integrating technology into the concept of your bottom line?
We try not to use technology too much.
Oh, actually, I'm sorry.
Oh,
we have to
yeah.
cut it short because the bell waits for no one, and I think
Okay.
that you have to start your event here.
No, perfect.
So
Great. Thank you.
I'll
Thank
see
you.
you on the
Thank
floor.
you.
It was
Thanks.
nice to
Thanks,
meet
Jen.
you.
Thanks,
too.
thanks.